Hello guys, today in Kids Dream Toys we got Dora's Storytime Collection. We're going to read Dora's Treasure Hunt. Come read with us. Hola, I'm Dora and this is my friend Boots. We're going on a treasure hunt. Will you help us find the way to Treasure Island? Great. Map says we have to go over the icky sticky sand, cross Crocodile Lake, and that's how we'll get to Treasure Island. There's the icky sticky sand. This is Crocodile Lake, and that's how we get to Treasure Island. First, we have to cross the icky sticky sand, but the bridge is broken. Can you find the missing pieces?
I can look in it.
Where's the missing pieces at? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Thanks for helping us get over the icky sticky sand. We can use that boat to get across Crocodile Lake. What should we wear so we can be safe?
White jacket.
Where are they? Yep. We made it to Treasure Island. What do we need to open the chest?
A key.
A key. Check backpack for a key with 3 points so we can open the treasure chest. Do you see one with 3 points? No, that's 2. Yes, the blue, azul, 3 points. Lo hicimos, we did it.
They're wearing crayons.
We opened the chest.
And he's the king and she's the princess.
He's the king and she's the princess. Look at all the treasure inside. Hooray!
We did it.
We did it.